Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnava.
Those things that yes. Don't pull that. We cannot accept that.
Well, so they use that because they've made relatives successful. They have mechanical hearts also.
So then why people die? Put mechanical heart.
We've done things in the past. We've made successes in the past. There's no reason why we don't conclude we'll make successes in the future. What success? They have a mechanical heart. People whose hearts fail. They can install it in their heart and it'll make it good.
That our reply is that is not the heart, but the soul. The soul has to live in this body, so you change the heart, he transfers himself to the heart. It is not the heart, it is the soul. That confirms that there is a soul, particular soul, who has got a span of life. Now, you change this chair in the room. I have to leave for so many days. Suppose I am sitting in one chair. You change the chair. That's all. I am not the chair.
They sit back down again.
Yeah.
Well, they say because that soul cannot be dissected, chemically analyzed, therefore we don't accept it.
But you see, it is existing. Your knowledge is in contact. You cannot do it. But it is existing, that is the proof.
Theoretically, they accepted antimatter before they could measure it. But antimatter all matter. Electrons turning off the orbit. And they accepted it before
Very good.
One of the defects in the modern discoveries in scientists is that they completely ignore one very fundamental important question. For example, first of all, when they see the phenomena of nature, they ask why and how, why it is happening and how it is happening. For example, like Newton, when he discovered his gravitational theory, he was thinking why the apple is falling down. He was trying to search some answer why it is happening and how it is happening. So his theory of gravitation developed, answering his inquiry. But he did not ask who is causing this falling of the apple. So he neglected the subjective aspect of the question. So he took the objective understanding of the inquiry. So that is why he said, our apple is falling, said because of the laws of gravitation. And if he asked, who is causing this apple fall down?
He has caused it.
Yes, yes. Then he should have immediately accepted that there is.
Just like you have to deal with so many fools and unlimited number of fools.
Going back yesterday's theory of relativity, so the in the material as well as spiritual platforms, it's everything is relative.
No,
So it doesn't contradict in.
spiritual platform, there is no reality. That is the absolute. Material world, 1 plus 1 equals to 2.
Yes.
1 minus 1 equals to 0. In the spiritual world, 1 plus 1 equals to 1. 1 minus 1 equals to 1. It is different. पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेव अभिशिष्यते 1 minus 1 equals 1. That is the restriction and the Vishwabhuti.
Mathematics are absolute numbers.
Yes.
Cardinal, you know that
Yes.
system?
Mm-hmm.
Where that's true, 1 minus 1 equals to 1.
Sutastava. Avicchito artha kavidhi nirupita jaduttamasya gunanuvarna. Therefore, man's education, culture, his acts of piety, charity, so many good things are there. With all these things, one should try to glorify him. That is what. If there is a great scientist, great mathematician, he should try to prove the glories of the Lord by mathematics. That is his happiness. The chemist, he should try to glorify the Supreme by his chemical knowledge. That is what it is. Sanustitasya dharmasya samsiddhi haritosa. That is our philosophy, that everyone should utilize his talent for serving Krishna. That is what. Never mind, you are chemist, you are mathematician, you are engineer, or whatever you may be, you have got a particular position. So, with your particular position, you try to satisfy the Supreme. Then it is possible.
So the living entities are parts and parcels of the Supreme.
Yeah.
So, but we do not say this in relative terms.
Huh?
We are small living particles,
Yeah.
God, and God is a supreme being, a supreme soul. So, and these small living particles are not said in terms of relative to the supreme soul.
Yes, it is related. Because this finger is working as part of my body, so it has got relative value. If it is separated from the body, it has no value. It has no value. If the finger is cut and thrown on the ground, you can say, oh, it is somebody's finger. But as finger, it has no value. You can say it is finger, but that simply saying a finger has no meaning. It is ordinary matter. Similarly, we are relatively situated with the absolute. And if we act relatively according to our position, then it is perfect. So, part and parcel of God means where every one of us, everything is meant for God's help. That is God.
So the absoluteness applies only to the complete whole.
Advaita, the complete whole. The sea is foaming.
Tomorrow is the full moon.
Yes?
Kalke Purnima.
Theory that the moon has been taken away from the earth, therefore Pacific Ocean has become. Is that theory?
The moon is part of the earth? Originally the moon is part of the earth, and the earth split up. And a piece of it went out and became the moon orbit, and the Pacific Ocean was forming the whole.
How it became brilliant.
Birds are they've got huge beaks. You see a fish and they scoop them up out of the water.
Huh?
They glide along like that on the surface of the water until they see a fish. They dive down and catch it. When they open their mouth, it's about this big. Huge.
And there also, the husband and wife. Visaya kholu sarvatasya. Sex life is everywhere.
Their wings, they always fly in perfect formation.
Huh?
They always fly in perfect formation. They never, the wings are always together, moving, and they don't even see each other, so there's some kind of communication that guides them.
So simply they go on like that, then don't stop.
Yes, they have their nests. They live on rocks. Like this one.
They can float also.
Yes. They fly just a little bit over the water.
Yeah, very, almost touching.